If you use Firefox and want to back up your saved sites or move your bookmarks to another browser or another computer, this video will show you exactly how to export bookmarks in Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is a great skill to know because it helps you keep your important links safe, organized, and easy to transfer whenever you need them. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and useful how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once you're in the browser, look to the top right corner and click the menu button. This is the button with the three horizontal lines, and it opens up Firefox main settings and tools menu. From that menu, click Bookmarks. When the Bookmarks menu opens, look for the option that says Manage Bookmarks and click it. This will open the library window, which is where Firefox stores and organizes your bookmarks. Now, in the library window, find and click Import and Backup. This section contains the tools you need for saving, restoring, and transferring your bookmark data. From the drop-down menu, click Export Bookmarks to HTML. Firefox will then open a save window and ask you where you want to store the file. Choose the location you want, like your desktop or a folder on your computer, so it's easy to find later. After selecting the location, click Save. Firefox will now export all of your bookmarks into an HTML file. That file can be used as a backup or imported into another browser whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Firefox bookmarks to HTML. It only takes a few clicks, but it can save you a lot of time later if you ever need to restore your favorites or switch devices. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial.